Yeah! She took someone's spot. Please. Come on, please.
When I start frying y'all and up the score, bro, don't get sick. Real talk.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Stop.
Hey guys, it's Esther.
Spooky.
Yo, stop. My fault, bro. One dark, scary night. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, sorry, our YouTube channel. Today, we are on our way to a bowling alley. Yep, a bowling. We are on our way to a bowling alley. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all when we get out the car. Hey, but before we get into the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all share with your friends and family. If y'all enjoy this video, hit that smash like button. Smash that like button. Okay, I'll see you guys when we get out the car. Finally out the car. We had a little drive. You know. We put in the teams right now.
You, Dash, Joe.
But I already put back. What you talking about?
I'll get me, Mom, and Becky.
Stop doing that.
Real talk, bro.
What?
Yo, stop playing with me, bro.
Who's mans? Not my mans. That's not my brother. Oh yeah, next break. Oh yeah. Hold on, hit me.
Bro, the tap dance was like
You guys gotta
stop holding like a basketball.
Joe, stop it. Oh!
Oh my God,
Not
no!
like that. You're not like that. Oh, it's not. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Be quiet, dude. Don't play with me!
Get right. No. Let me see that. Oh! Wow! Oh, and it didn't go, so now big boy Abe gotta get. Why you run like that? Oh yeah, get right. Wow, you guys are selling right now. You guys are selling me. I have 9 points. Yo, I'm winning by 2 points. Yo. Yo, you have to aim! Oh my goodness! Oh my! Yo, watch out! Move! I'm gonna hit all this!
Cash. It's cash. Something I'll hit.
You mad or not? Yeah! She took someone's spot. Please.
Almost there, Red. Almost there.
Bless Mo. Mo, you get it down. Stop letting me Mo. Oh wow.
Can I do that one for you?
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh! I missed one. I missed one.
Come on, Nate.
Hit us. Why do you run like that? Oh, snap. You about to hit him inside? Oh! Oh, you missed one. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Jam me up. Oh, yeah, focus. Let's go!
Right?
What?
You should go here more often.
Go ahead, there.
Bro,
You didn't get that?
No, because Becca's in my way.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Stop trying to hit me. No. Oh. Oh. Okay. 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 Bro walked off like he did something.
Oh, great holy wrath! Smite the wicked!
When I start frying y'all and up the score, bro, don't get sick. Real talk.
He does that. And no, it slipped. It slipped. He said it slipped. And then bro does that.
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Oh yeah! And then bro does that.
Yeah.
And then bro does that.
Oh man, but the first time I got it.
Air ball.
You don't want to make a video on ball, dog. You don't want to make a video on ball. All right, winner gets 15 bills.
Wanna get 15? Check on it. Oh, 15. Oh,
Yeah,
15.
yeah,
No,
yeah.
never mind.
Dollars?
No.
Hey, we the strikeouts. Dad, we the strikeouts.
Another strikeout.
That's two. All right.
Yo, the look down's crazy, yo. Yo, the look down's crazy. He hit a strikeout. I wasn't recording though.
You was it? Well, get on my feet.
Yo.
Slip, bro.
It always slips.
It does. Bro, you know when it's all right, whatever.
Y'all both trash.
My thing is red.
Like you hit something. Like you hit something.
I did.
61! No. I have 70 points. I said 500 next game and then he let go of my hand because he know he ain't doing that. What?
You think I'm better at this than last time we did?
Baby 10.
No.
I didn't.
Hey, I still hit more than you though, so it don't matter. Talk one more time. I'm gonna put hands on you. You hurt? All right then.